so today we're going to assemble a dining table. What we've got here are 4 legs. You can see there's hanger bolts that have been screwed into the corners of the 4 legs, along with a washer and a nut. So in the shop, we've set up the table and we've labeled them. In this case, they're A through D. So you just want to match up the correct leg with the correct corner. Now we flipped our table upside down, as you can see, on a rug. Because it's a nice solid wood surface, you definitely want a blanket or a rug. You don't want to throw it directly on a wood surface unless you don't care about the top, because you don't want to scratch it up. So I'm going to go ahead and lay out my legs in the appropriate corners. So I've got A here. So then I'm just going to remove the washer and the nut from the bolt. And I'm going to slide my leg through my corner fasteners. Put my washer on first, and then hand thread the nut on until it's tied up against the washer. These nuts are 1/2 inch, so we're going to use this socket wrench with a 1/2 inch attachment, and we're just going to snug them up. I'm going to tighten them up until you start to see that leg bracket press in. And there you see, it's a pretty nice tight corner. And I'm going to go around and do the same thing for the others. These legs may be interchangeable, but this is how we set it up in the shop, so this is how we labeled it. If you don't have a socket, you could use a 1/2 inch open end wrench, or you could use a crescent wrench, adjustable wrench as well. The socket, or you could use a cordless drill with a socket adapter, and it would be real quick. Okay, so now we're ready to flip the dining table over. And that is definitely a 2-person job. All right, so here it is. Here's our finished table.